Welcome to your Foodnerd POS dashboard, your restaurant's command center. To get started, simply click the New Order button to instantly open the point of sale screen. On the order screen, you can effortlessly browse your entire menu using the categories at the top. You can also easily switch between pickup, eat-in, or delivery order types to perfectly match every customer's need and streamline your workflow. To create a more personalized experience, you can quickly add guest information for any order. This is perfect for managing deliveries or building a loyal customer database with just a few clicks. Building a customer's order is fast and intuitive. Simply tap on the menu items they want and watch as they are instantly added to the bill on the left, with all totals updating in real time. Never miss a special request. When you select an item with options, Foodnerd POS automatically prompts you to add modifiers. This powerful feature ensures every order is captured with perfect accuracy, boosting customer satisfaction. Before finalizing, you get a clear view of the entire bill for review. You can make real-time adjustments, such as removing gratuity, and watch the total due update instantly. This guarantees complete accuracy and transparency for every single transaction. Completing the transaction is fast and simple. Click the Pay button, and an instant confirmation shows the payment is processed, letting you serve the next customer without delay. Once payment is complete, you have full flexibility and control over the next steps. You can choose to simply submit the order to your system, send it directly to the kitchen staff for immediate preparation, or print a clear receipt for your customer. Foodnerd POS also provides advanced options to perfectly suit any workflow. Use the Submit and Print command for maximum efficiency, or leverage Delta Print and Break Print to easily manage complex orders with partial printing for different kitchen stations. Let's finalize this order by selecting Submit and Print. With one click, the order is logged, the kitchen is notified, and a receipt is generated, seamlessly connecting all your operations. And there you have it. The order has been placed successfully, and a complete receipt is ready. From here, you can print or download a copy before closing the window and preparing for the next customer.